All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and this is the 24 hours of mining Dogecoin update. I obviously couldn't do it right at 24 hours because I was playing on the computer a little bit, and that kind of messed up my average. So I thought there was something on my lip there. I was gonna lick it off. Anyway, yeah, I took a fat L, mainly due to the fact that Dogecoin pumped yesterday while I was mining it. So I was mining at a reduced rate and then it dropped today. So what I got paid out is worth even less today, but it is what it is. I ain't here to hide nothing, no smoke and mirrors. So let's jump right into it. Alrighty, so I was averaging right at 25 mega hash, right on the money. So I did turn my miner off because I can't record the video while I'm mining. And if we go over to stats, my past 24-hour rewards were 4.3 Dogecoin. Dogecoin was up to right under 20 cents. So that would have been, what, 80 something, almost 90 cents, which is still a little low. But Dogecoin right now took a little dip along with the market, and Dogecoin is only worth 17.4 cents. So we'll do 0.174 times what I get, 4.3. Oh, sorry about that. Times 4.3. So my at 25 mega hash for 24 hours, I did 74 cents. Not great, especially when you go over to here, you click on Ethereum, and you type in 25 mega hash, you click calculate. I could have made $1.56, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So I missed out on, we'll see here, minus $1.56. I missed out on 81 cents. So I got paid less than half of what I would have direct mining Ethereum. So I will be switching this back over and mining Ethereum. In the past, I've had really good luck mining Dogecoin when it's low, and then it pumps up, and I end up making more money than Ethereum. I know you guys watched some of my older videos where I put my whole farm on it, and I actually did really well, but not this time. And there's no sugarcoating it. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm at 11.3. I'm gonna finish out. I need 30 for a payout, 30 Doge. So I'll let this keep mining over the next couple days, get me a payout, and then I'll switch off of Doge and go back to Ethereum. So yeah, sometimes that is just how the cookie crumbles. And man, this video is less than 4 minutes. We're at 3 minutes right now, and that's how fast it takes me to just explain to you guys. So does that mean you should mine Dogecoin on unminable, or you shouldn't mine Dogecoin on unminable? Well, honestly, that's up to you. If you think Dogecoin's going to go up, you could mine it and then maybe reap some rewards, or you could straight or direct mine Ethereum and then buy Dogecoin on an exchange. There's a little bit more transactions there, but there's no wrong way. There's just a more profitable way and a less profitable way. And currently, right now, direct mining Ethereum is destroying mining Ethereum and getting paid out in Doge. So take that with a grain of salt, and the choice is yours. But I did want to let you guys know, I don't know if I'm going to have any content coming out tomorrow. It's pouring down rain. They're not coming to put the electric line in. And I'm literally about to leave my house and I'm going to the hospital. My wife went in for a checkup. She's having contractions, so they sent her to the hospital. And she just called me and she's like, hey, I'm getting admitted. So I'm like, all right, well, I booked it home. I'm home. I just got everything together, like all their like overnight bag in case she ends up staying overnight. My dog's barking right now. It's storming. But so yeah, hopefully we're gonna go have a baby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So wish me luck, kind words, all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, super pumped. Super pumped. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Peace, love, all that stuff. I'll probably have this video come out maybe a couple hours later because it's pretty early in the day right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, guys. Have a good night. Have a good evening. Have a good everything, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.